When the sun heats the ground, the water in the seas, rivers, lakes, and soil is evaporated and becomes water vapor. It is called evaporation. The water in plants is also transpired from leaves to the atmosphere. This process is known as transpiration. Both processes add water vapor to the air. This increases the air humidity. When the water vapor rises, it cools and condenses. Clouds are formed. As more clouds gather, water drops fall to the ground. This is called precipitation. Most of the precipitation is in the form of rain or snow. As water drops fall to the ground, some are absorbed by plants. Some seep into the ground and become underground water. A large proportion runs into rivers. Water in rivers will flow into lakes or the seas. Do you know what will happen next?